Anacostia was actually a really interesting project. We started this with the District of Columbia working in an existing building.
When it was decided that it was time to upgrade the buildings and to give the citizens of the district the type of building that they deserve. As a part of our transformation, LEED and green buildings became critical.
DCPL has projected LEED Silver, I believe, for all of their buildings.
We have developed a standard program for all library services, and the shelving is a critical portion of the furniture, of course, that goes into a library. We needed shelving that would allow us to easily and readily change things out.
It ended up being this resin product that we wanted to use for the end panels and the canopy tops. How we were going to fasten that, how they were going to attach, working with Space Saver was really great because their engineering department helped us add special pieces and brackets.
It was critical for us to provide a building where we could start off with space for a lot of younger children, and then as the demographics change, that we could switch some spaces out and that kind of thing to accommodate people as they get older.
Space Saver was actually really good to work with. I had a new Space Saver rep that I had never worked with before. It was really easy to work with him on the space planning side and trying to figure out, okay, this is kind of the direction we want to orient the stacks for daylight purposes.
The shelving that has been provided by Space Saver is shelving that we can move from branch to branch if we need to take shelving from here to another location. It will all fit, and we don't have the added expense of bringing in new materials or that kind of thing. We can just take what is already here.
Space Saver helped to contribute to part of what I would consider the spirit of sustainability and of the lead that we were trying to gain, which was silver. The Space Saver units themselves were really great because they offered us 90% recycled content with their steel. So that actually helped add to our recycled content credit.